Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. You guys can see by the brand ESDDI. For those of you guys who don't know, I've reviewed a lot of products from this brand, ranging from like tripods, ring lights, LED lights, and etc. This time I have this mini tripod that you guys can use to like take pictures, do videos. You guys can literally use this almost anywhere. And what I mean by anywhere is that you guys can hang this or like grip it onto like trees, to branches, to bars. So first thing first, let me actually unbox it to show you guys what comes with the package first and what the product looks like. So when you first open the package, you get the actual tripod itself. So here is the actual tripod, and you guys can see inside there's a user manual. So the pretty much accessory is this product right here, where you guys can actually open up the clamp to put your phone on. You guys can see. And this fits pretty much any kind of like iPhone or smartphone in general. So all you have to do is like pull it open like that, and you guys can use it. And just either screw it on this side right here or screw it right here, depending on what you guys want to use it for. So here is the tripod, and then here is the user manual instruction guide on how to set the product and how to use it. So for this tripod itself, it's kind of unique and a little bit different than what I've been using, such as the GorillaPod and the one I'm using right now. The material that's on here is really nice. It feels really smooth and really soft. I'm not too sure if this is waterproof or not, but even if it's not waterproof, I think it should be fine. As long as you guys get water in this, just dry it off. So if you guys look right here, there's like two different settings on here. There's A and B. So right now, if we are on A, that's how far I can go, if you guys can see. And we turned it to B, it can go even wider basically. So that is B. So when you guys open it up this wide, it doesn't stop there. What you guys can do here is exactly like the GorillaPod that I reviewed from in the past. So basically what you can do on here is it's actually bendable and really stretchable. So you guys can go like that, you guys can go like this, and if you guys want to, just grip it wherever you guys want to. So it's flexible in all different angles. And if you guys don't want to use it like that, just put it back in normal shape. And on the top right here, you guys can screw whatever you guys want to, so your camera, GoPro, whatever. And then right here, we have an option where you guys can actually tighten it or loosen the grip of the product. So you guys can screw it onto your product and make it tighter or looser. Ball head feels really nice, you guys can see. Rotates 360, really easy and really smooth. If you guys want to make it tighter, you guys can actually make it tighter right here with this knob right here. So when you guys make it tighter like that, it's gonna be really hard to move it. And you guys want to loosen it, just turn it back the other way, and you guys can see it's like really easy. So let's say I use my phone for example, if I just go like this. So basically all you have to hold it like that and just turn this knob right here, and it'll tighten up for you. So basically that's the setup right there. That's all you have to do. You can go about your day. You can do your streaming, you could do Twitch on here, you could do vlogs, whatever you guys want to use this for. Definitely you guys can use it for whatever the case may be. But definitely a really cool product overall to have, so you guys can actually just grip this on somewhere and then take a selfie or take a picture, a time picture or something. Really nice. A lot of times I use this to like grip it somewhere to kind of take like a landscape picture or landscape portrait of like either myself with the background or just the background itself, and then kind of like slow down shutter speed and whatnot to make the picture look really nice. So having this product is actually a game changer, and you guys won't really know until you guys get this and try it out. So with all that being said, and sharing the test of the product and how to use it and what comes with the package, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is worth it if you guys are looking for something like this, or if you guys are just really interested in getting one of these for like pictures, videos, or whatever the case may be. I definitely suggest getting one of these from this brand or another brand, GorillaPod, whatever the case may be. The difference between this one versus the GorillaPod though is the fact that if you guys can see the design here, it's just one whole stick right here. You guys can bend how you guys want to. Whereas the GorillaPod is like individual balls, and you guys can flex all those balls. So depending on what you guys are looking for and what kind of design or capability you guys want, that's how you guys decide which one is better for you at the end of the day. But regardless of which one you guys decide, they're all pretty much really worth it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have